here today to repair our bar / DJ booth.
AKA the hernia creator.
It didn't go well the first time. We built this for my brother's wedding, and I was in the wedding, so I was in part of the mad rush to get everything ready, and then I passed the sticks to Steven for install, setup, and pickup. I actually did the tree light, so I was like still, right before I got dressed, I was wiring the tree light, and everybody's like, are you gonna be ready? You're gonna be ready? We were ready.
So we made a little ramp and we had a cart to pull this up onto and wheel into the treasury on the plaza in St. Augustine. But this thing's like 1,000 pounds and we didn't reinforce the wheels before going in, and pushing it down the cart, it got caught and popped off one of the wheels. So then had to figure out how to try to get this up and get a dolly underneath it to just get it inside. It was no easy feat to do any of it because it was me and 2 other guys, and luckily I had them, because if it was just me, this thing would be sitting in the parking lot the entire night. We need to put an extra set of wheels in the middle, because if they pop off, it's impossible to move around, and we just need that little extra reinforcement because this thing is very heavy.
Right, because after that reinforcement, we got him in there and we're like, okay, this is tight. This is the way it's supposed to be. My wife works at a middle school, said, babe, would you please DJ our middle school Halloween party? I said, no, babe, I can't. We're too busy. Sorry. That didn't cut it. I ended up DJing the middle school dance. After we finished the dance, we got it back to the store. We were taking it into the store and another wheel fell off. Now, granted, we hit a really hard, but in order to avert that, we are going to do kind of a triangle orientation where we do our 2 on the end, and then we're gonna do an extra one right here. That way, if one gives out, this one will hold us from going out and we can still roll and maneuver. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's certainly gotta work better than the first 2 times that we lost a wheel. So start screwing.
I had the bar over here originally, that way we could just take the fork straight in, hit it, lift it, I can move the carts underneath, and then we can kind of boogie from there.
This is part of our White Forest collection, where we utilize the skins of the logs. Typically, the skins are not as sought after because structurally you can't do much. So we take the skins, put some whitewash on them, and they do a lot. You can see we also use some slabs on the corner for that decorative corner piece, and there's a slab on the top for the serving space. There's some cedar on the tabletop, but we did have to buy the cedar beam on the bottom, 1 piece of plywood, and some 2x4s in the wheels. I would say this is about a 70% reclaimed salvage build from Stormwood. That's pretty good in my book.
This is what we're working with right now. And we're gonna run, Steven's cutting 2 runs here to reinforce it. We'll take these out, put some freshies on, and then decide where on here to put our safety wheel. This is the old wheel. This first one we just took off, and these are the new higher rated casters. Really hope these guys work. The new wheel is getting hung up. I mean, it's not much, but I'm gonna cut extra out. This side has plenty of room, but I'm gonna cut extra out just in case there's any adjustments. Am I in your way?
Nope.
I'm starting from the back. That's my problem area. I might not even have to shave the front off, that way you don't see anything. Of course, we have to replace this whole beam because my buddy that helped us put this in, he kind of missed his cut, so this one's coming off eventually. I do like that. Okay, we got full swivel.
Nice.
All right, let's see how she rolls. Good?
Yeah.
We might be on some resin.
Battle tested. See how
Exactly.
This thing looks great in the daytime, but at night, all you gotta do is flip the switch and you got a legit party on your hands. We tried a bunch of different lighting systems. This is the Govee Outdoor LED. It's the RGBIC LED outdoor kit, so. Thanks for tuning in to the Old Town Timber YouTube channel. We're located in St. Augustine, Florida, the nation's oldest city. Stop by and see our showroom in downtown St. Augustine if you're ever in the area. Please click the like button and subscribe to see more build videos, how-to videos, a little wood pontification, and a whole lot of tips and tricks on how to do this resin thing right. If you're trying to make money in the resin game, we got tips for you. If you just like to watch, we got videos for you too. Have a great afternoon, a great night, and we'll see you